Hello everyone. Problem of the day is modified game of name. In a given problem, there is given an array of n element and there are two players, player 1 and player 2. And here we need to find out the winner. If player 1 start the game and they both play their best. And the situation is that a player can choose any of element from an array and remove it. If the bitwise JOR of all remaining elements equals to 0 after removal of the selected element, in that case that player will lose their game. Okay. Now first we understand the problem. Here we take example n equal to 2 and array we take array's element is 3 3 2. Okay, first user 1 will take element 3, then our updated element array will be this. In that case JOR of remaining element in array will be 1, that is not equal to 0. Okay, after that user 2 will take another element like 3, then our updated array will be containing only 2 and their JOR will be 2, that is also not equal to 0. And again user 1 will take and pick element 2. In that case our array will be empty and in that case JOR will be 0, that is equal to 0. In that case user 1 loses their game. Okay, means winner is user 2. Okay, and if we take another example of array of size 3, here is array of size is 3. Okay, and if we take another example of size 2, in that case we take like 2 and 5 elements. In that case if user 1 pick an element 2, then our updated array is this and their JOR will be 5. Okay, and user 2 will pick element 5. In that case our updated array will be this and JOR of array will be 0. Okay, and that is equal to 0 means user 2 loses their game. Okay, and if we take another example of even size of array like n equal to 4 and array element is 1 2 3 and 5. Okay, in that case first user will take and pick element 1, user 2 will pick element 2, user 1 again pick an element 3 and user 2 will pick element 5 Okay, in that case our updated array will be empty. Okay, and their jar will be 0, that is equal to 0. In that case user 2 will be lose their game. Okay, and winner will be user 2, sorry, user 1. Okay, means we can understand this example, and we make the approach is like that. If array of size is even, in that case user 1 will be win, yani winner will be user 1. Otherwise we can calculate the jar of the given element of array. Let's move on the coding part of this problem. Here first we calculate the jar of all element, means it is a base case of this problem. Okay, means uh, here first we take a variable x that will store 0, and we take a for loop start with I equal to 0 till size of array. Okay, and in that loop we need to find the jar of element of array. Okay, and after this loop we need to check x is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, in that case user 1 will be winner. Okay, otherwise user 2 will be winner. Okay, and apart from this we need to check if the given size of array is even. In that case user 1 will be winner. Now compile the code. Submit the code. Okay, we will check here. Now submit the code. Thank you everyone.